Hello everyone and welcome! This is Troglodyte from Simple Trade. Today, we are going to understand the reason for the significant value increase in PBYA. The value of the stock has increased more than 1,600%. The first thing that we notice is the extraordinary volume on the 30th of April. This volume could indicate that the company is returning to an active state and that news and changes might follow. Next, on the 27th of May, the company reinstated itself, officially returning to business. 2 weeks later, on the 10th of June, the company updated their website, in which it was officially stated that they intend to become fully reporting and comply with the SEC's newly applied regulations. The company also states their intention to stay fully reporting in the future. From the reinstatement and the announcement on the website, we can infer that the company is making an attempt at returning to a good standing. All of the above has led to one final announcement. On the 28th of June, the company has released news stating that a subsidiary of PBYA has initiated a new training program with Tesla, among other Fortune 500 companies. That was the reason for the significant run that we have witnessed. I hope you all have learned and enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and join our Discord community for more reviews and research.